Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to electronics D projects or intricate repairs, having the right soldering station can make all the difference. A reliable soldering station not only ensures precise and efficient soldering, but also provides the safety and control needed for various soldering tasks. Whether you're a seasoned soldering pro or just starting out, having access to the top quality equipment is essential. In this guide, we've curated a list of the top 5 best soldering stations available on the market. These soldering stations have been chosen based on their performance, durability, temperature control, and user-friendly features, all of which are vital for achieving clean and consistent solder joints. So, if you're in the market for a soldering station that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations, read on to discover the best options available today. Number 5. Eruntop B8586 Soldering Station. The B8586 offers precise temperature control, which is essential for soldering delicate electronic components. It quickly reaches and maintains the desired temperature, ensuring consistent and reliable soldering results. The adjustable temperature range is wide enough to accommodate a variety of soldering tasks. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its dual iron design. Having 2 irons at your disposal is a game changer, especially for jobs that require both soldering and desoldering simultaneously. This feature has significantly improved my workflow, saving me time and effort. The station is well built and feels sturdy. The iron holders are stable and keep the irons securely in place when not in use. The included sponge and brass wire tip cleaners are handy additions for maintaining the iron's performance. Number 4. JCD 8898 Soldering Station. The JCD 8898 soldering station feels sturdy and well built. The compact design makes it easy to fit on any workbench, and the materials used seem durable. The station is designed for both 110V and 220V power sources, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The performance of this soldering station is where it truly shines. With a powerful 750W hot air gun and an 80W soldering iron, it can handle a variety of soldering tasks with ease. The temperature ranges for both the hot air gun, 100 to 480, and soldering iron, 180 to 480, are broad, allowing for precise control over the soldering process. Whether you're working on SMD components or larger through-hole components, this soldering station has you covered. The JCD 8898 soldering station is user-friendly, with a clear and intuitive interface. The digital display shows the current temperature of both the hot air gun and soldering iron, ensuring you always know what's going on. Number 3. JCD 8206 Soldering Station. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its exceptional temperature control range. The soldering iron offers a wide range from 200 to 480, allowing me to tackle a variety of soldering tasks with ease. Whether I'm working on delicate circuit boards or larger, more robust projects, I can always find the perfect temperature setting. Powerful hot air gun. The included hot air gun is a game changer. With a temperature range of 100 to 480 and a powerful 800W output, it's ideal for tasks like SMD soldering, heat shrinking, and desoldering components. The precise temperature control ensures that I can work confidently on even the most sensitive components, without fear of overheating or damaging them. Robust build quality. The JCD 8206 is built to last. It feels sturdy and well constructed, and the soldering iron handle is comfortable to hold for extended periods. The station's overall build quality gives me confidence that it will withstand the test of time and the rigors of frequent use. Number 2. YIHUA 882D Soldering Station. The first thing that struck me about this soldering station is its solid build quality. The unit feels robust and well made, which instills confidence in its durability. The design is also sleek and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. One of the standout features of the YIHUA 882D is its precise temperature control. It offers a wide temperature range, allowing me to solder both delicate electronic components and larger connectors with ease. The digital display is clear and easy to read, and the temperature stability is impressive. I never had to worry about fluctuations that could damage my components. The 882D's dual functionality as both a soldering iron and a hot air rework station is a huge plus. It's like having 2 tools in one, which not only saves space on my workbench, but also provides versatility for various soldering and desoldering tasks. The quick switch between the soldering iron and the hot air gun is incredibly convenient. Number 1. YIHUA 853 AAA Soldering Station. One of the standout features of this soldering station is its versatility. It combines a preheat plate, a hot air gun, and a soldering iron station all in one, making it a comprehensive solution for a wide range of soldering tasks. Whether you're working on SMD components, circuit boards, or BGA rework, this station has you covered. With a maximum power of 1200 W, the YIHUA 853AAA delivers plenty of heat to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The hot air gun boasts a maximum airflow of 120 Lmin, ensuring that components heat up rapidly and reducing the risk of damage due to prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Temperature control is essential in soldering, and this station excels in that regard. Thanks for watching this video.